born in events. Are you ready for the second virtual event? Woo!
For sure, after this event, we will impact the industry worldwide like we've never done before.
I'm sure that today we have transformed lives.
Thank you! Wow, what beautiful it is to be here again!
We have seen many success stories in our company already.
We are connected with everyone. The energy is epic.
There is no excuse for missing something like this.
The second virtual event of Success Factory, and I'm pretty sure that now you are able to become the one destined to be.
This is nothing compared to what we are already planning.
We've got excited, we've got motivated, many news, many information.
You can't miss it. It's going to be huge.
We got out of our comfort zone and we triumphed.
Your future is already here.
It's all about you.
The beginning of your new life.
We have shared and connected with every corner of the world. We are breaking down barriers and pointing the way to the future.
Success Factory is always one step ahead.
Trainings, news, testimonials, and thousands of people have seen it.
All the knowledge of the speakers, all the experience, everything that they have to offer is more accessible.
It's been a unique experience.
I love to bring you this opportunity because this is the #1 opportunity in life.